Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 IS. The IS is the compact luxury sedan offered by Lexus under Toyota. The IS fits the bill for sports-minded drivers looking for luxury in a compact design. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps, rear wheel drive. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.